Welcome to Mzansi Daily Affairs, guys. As you can see, this is the son of the lady who went to Dr. Langcakaza's podcast, and she said that she was involved in witchcraft, bamthole a lawyer, and then she had some sexual intercourse, walala nemfalo omncane, uyabona, and she's been trending, yabo. And her son now came forth and said, I only pray my son doesn't see the things her grandma has been trending about. But as for me, I just have to be strong. She's my mother after all. Yes, that is true. It is your mother, my brother. But then what is said is that she, on her side, she didn't have to go on a public platform, Bafethu, because she looks very respectable for the things that Bekati Kuluma Lapa on the podcast. I'm like, what happened? What happened to the people that we are supposed to be looking up to? All the people, Bafethu, saying these things, and it's very, very sad. So don't forget, Bafethu, before we start the whole entire video, let us just click the like button. Click like on this video so that this video can actually reach a broader audience and support the channel and the work that we are doing. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's support the channel, and I thank you. So let's play this video, Bafethu, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section.
I give up. Ngene endlini vala emnyango, faka ama headset, ehlisa volume. Mawuthanda ungena embedeni. Umuntu oneminyaka engaphansi ka18 akadlule. Nangu mama. Uthi umama waze umfana. Ngithi ngiyothakatha, yafika ingane yangi-eka. Kusho umama. Uthi ke lo mama ke ube thakatha, uthi nje ukuthakatha wakike ngalelo langa, uthi ube lawyer, uthi ngelinye ilanga ke ahamba ayothakatha kulo muzi. Uthi ubevela asuke nje udumbe nje umuzi awukhomba ukuthi ngifuna ukubalaya kulo muzi. Funa ukushabalalisa yonke into yakhona, ngize ngishiphe uthi wayezabhosha ngisho eminyango emzini wabantu. Usho lo mama. Uthi kumama ahambe ngelanga afike kulo muzi. Uhamba nqunu, mayo loya wayehamba nqunu. Uthi afike kulo muzi, athi esathi uyaloya, esathi qoba mntana kaSathane, qoba mntana kaSathane, qhamuka umfana wala ekhaya omncane amuthi nje. Athi wegogo, utirahalange. Yini lo yakha lapho? Wentani lapho yegogo, yemake wentani. Uthi athi ugogo, hawu uyacela mntanami, ngiyacela mntanami, ngakunika ngisho 500 rand, ngakunika ngisho 1000, ngakunika noma malini ongayisho, ngiyacela nje kusama ungixolele. Ngithatha umfana, hang on, ngifuna 1000 lakho mina, angifune 500 rand wakho, ngifuna iqe yakho. Ngifuna ukuyizwa ukuthi njani yomthakathi. Uthi ugogo ngathi hawe nkulunkulu wami. Uthi wathi hey wena asidlali la, ngifuna yona, ngiyifuna njengoba injalo futhi ingakhaviwe, ingenziwe lutho. Uthi ugogo ngabona ukuthi hayi lingishonela ilanga, uthi ngasingeyisakaza ikiwe. Uthi angenzani ingane. Weka izini nkulunkulu wami, sophelela phina, soshabalala njengamanzi. Uthi angenzani ingane. Uthi ayimnandi ingane, uthi ngagcina ngalelo langa ukuthakatha. Uthi ingane yayisihujwa yimi, sibanjwa yimi. Uthi ke ngihlekiswa yilokhu uzanake uhost lo mhostile. Ethi nje yakenzani ingane, ingane. Uthi wachama. Hayibo, yini? Hayi.
Ngabhejwa ngumfana engibambe ngithakatha, engithola nginqunu ngisegcekeni lomuzi, ephume etshalweni edakiwe ebusuku ngabo 12. Wathi ngibiza abantu njengamanje, ngathi yima ingane yami, ngingenza noba yini ingane yami, ngenza noba yini. Uthini gogo? Uthi noba yini? Ngathi noba yini ingane yami, noba yini msukulu. Wathi ngifuna ingquza ke, nginika ingquza, ngiyibhebe manje. Ngathi ngane yami, ngingakunika noba ngu500 okungcono, noba 1000. Wathi angifuni imali. Wathi umfana, ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ukubhebha umthakathi kunjani. Ngathi kulungile ke ngane yami, kulungile, ithatha ingquza. Yangibhebha ingane, ipipi likhulu, isho ligcwale. Yamnandi ingane.
Wachama.
Ngachama. Yimini ezesengiyibamba uthakatha, ngakugcina ngelo langa. angithakatha mengibe nqunu umsila wempisi phela uthumisa ungaphandle ube soyaphosa enzeke ukwazi ukungena kahle belele bonke yithi hayi awuthi ndidestroy yonke lento la ekhaya awuthi vendibhoshe la inyako.
Cha ngazi ukuthi mhlambe iFYP yami iyangihlolela noma nje udokotela Nqekeza uhleze ekhuluma nomama engathi bayathanda shem bayathanda because tell me why the very first episode I see ngibona umama ethi mina ngi amaphara nginikeza ikheke nje ikheke lami elamaphara nginikeza amaphara sathi okay mama ngisikujaje like ikheke lakho like if ufuna ukunikeza amaphara okay omunye ke ngithi ngisathulile omunye vele angena athi mina lami ikheke ngilinikeza iphoyisa ukuze linakekele iboyfriend yami eboshiwe hayibo ngithi ngisathule khona omunye athi mina ngalalwa abafana bawo-30 esikhathi esisodwa bekumnandi ini into bekumnandi yona ngabashaya ngenqulaza ya 2008 ngathi ngithi ngisathi nje ngisajilile kwavela omunye umama uyisangoma wathi mina mawungena nje endumbeni yami angigqokile phenti ngathi indala kunamukele umama uzongishaya makangabona ukuthi ku-TikTok ngibheka izinto eziso mina
ngabhejwa ngumfana engibambe ngithakatha engithola nginqunu ngisegcekeni lomuzi ephume etshalweni edakiwe ebusuku ngabo-12 wathi ngibiza abantu njengamanje ngathi yima ingane yami ngingenza noba yini ingane yami ngenza noba yini uthini koko uthi noba yini ngathi noba yini ingane yami noba yini msukulu wathi ngifuna inguza-ke nginika inguza ngiyibhebhe manje ngathi hawu ngane yami ngingakunika noba ngu-500 okungcono noba 1,000 wathi angifuni imali wathi umfana ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ukubhebha umthakathi kunjani ngathi kulungile-ke ngane yami kulungile ithathe inguza yangibhebhi ingane ipipi likhulu lisho ligcwale yamnandi ingane
wachama
ngacha yimini ezesengiyibamba uthakatha ngakugcina ngelo langa.
I think everything on that podcast, for some reason, I have my own perception. Yeah, well, now you can say your part. But I mean, I think with everything in Dr. Nqekeza's podcast is actually scripted because it cannot be. We see everyone that goes there, all the stories are just too ridiculous. Some lady went there and said that she sleeps with corpse, dead people, and she would be digging them up and then she would sleep with them. And some other lady says that some other lady says that she has to sleep with multiple men and then collect the semen and then take it somewhere for riches. And there is a lot of the stories. And then I could the same thing. Mafuna ukuthi ulashwe ufuna uhambe nolala with this wala lwa dolphini and all that stuff. So this podcast is surrounded by things that people mostly are fascinated by. Sex, to be honest, and lust. Because when people see those type of the thumbnails and whatnot, because I have to give it to you, Dr. Nqekeza is smart. He's a smart YouTuber for some reason. He's a smart YouTuber. He can pull numbers just because of the way he uses his thumbnails. The way his thumbnails are very, very, they pull people instinctively to watch, because generally most people so. But then there's my thoughts, Buffet, to tell me what you think about this whole situation. I mean, I think this thing is just for entertainment. It's scripted.